third edition of Tiger Tiranga 2024. On August 9th, we celebrate national flag leading to 77th Independence Day. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has urged all the citizens of India to take selfies of the tricolor and also to change the DPs with the national flag. And as the year of independence is approaching, let us make Har Ghar Tiranga a mass movement. I have changed my DP. I urge all the citizens also to do the same. On July 28th, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has called for a nationwide campaign promoting a national flag as Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan in a radio broadcast of Mann Ki Baat. In his 112th episode of Mann Ki Baat, he has called upon the Har Ghar Tiranga program as a national festival. So, as a part of it, Bharatiya Janata Party Telangana BJP holds Tiranga rallies from August 11th to 15th, where August 14th, Partition Remembrance Day will be observed in all the districts with a silent march. And on 13th, 14th and 15th of August, tricolor flag will be hoisted at all the houses and all the business establishments, turning the entire country into the sea of saffron, white and green. So Bharatiya Janata Party aims at ensuring reach the tricolor flag to every home and every booth level since 2022. So this campaign will also see a massive participation of the citizens to promote a national flag. As a part of it, today Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Morcha has taken up a scooty rally to promote a national flag and the importance of national flag to all the citizens, and especially women from all over the districts have been participating in this scooty rally to ensure that the national flag is reached to every home in Telangana. Thank you. Wishing everybody, all the citizens of the country and Telangana a very happy New Year. Thank you.